In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your video camera in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're joining a meeting from home, in a public place, or you simply don't want to be on camera, knowing how to quickly turn your video off is really useful. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to find the camera control and how to use it confidently, so you always feel in control of what others can see. First, make sure you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting or about to join one. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. The controls look very similar in both. Once you're in the meeting window, look toward the middle or bottom of your screen for the meeting toolbar. This is the row of icons that usually includes things like a microphone, camera, screen sharing, and more. Now, locate the camera icon on that toolbar. It typically looks like a small video camera symbol. If your camera is currently on, this icon will usually appear highlighted, or it might be a different color to show that your video is active. You may also see a small preview of yourself on screen, which is another sign that your camera is on. To turn off your video, simply click once on the camera icon. After you click it, you should see an immediate change. The camera icon will often get a diagonal line through it, dim in color, or switch to an off state. Your video preview will disappear, or it may be replaced by your initials or profile picture. This confirms that your camera is now turned off and other participants can no longer see you. If you ever want to double check, just glance again at that camera icon. As long as it shows that it's off, you're safe. And remember, this works both before and during the meeting. On the pre-join screen, you'll also see the same camera icon. Clicking it there will let you join the meeting with your video already off, which can be more comfortable if you're still getting set up. If you accidentally turn your camera back on, just click the same icon again to switch it off. The camera button is a toggle, so each click moves it between on and off, and that's all there is to it. By finding and clicking the camera icon on the meeting toolbar, you can quickly